Hi students, this is Waqar Ahmed and today we are here to discuss the biological phenomena involved in animal adaptation. In our previous lecture, we are discussing about the uh, animals adaptations. For example, we discussed the types of adaptation: cursorial adaptation, fossorial, arboreal, aquatic, terrestrial, and the aerial adaptations, etc. Now, from here we continues our this previous lecture, and we are discussing that behavioral phenomena involved in the animal adaptations. Basically in this lecture we discuss the role of animal behavior in their adaptations. Animals show different types of behavior for adopting different environment or different types of climatic conditions. Are the animals show this behavior for their survival in a specific environment. For example, we mainly classify this behavior into two main categories. That's are the biological rhythms and the social behavior. Yes, yes. What's mean by the biological rhythms? Biological rhythms are the uh, rhythmic activities of the animals which are characterized by the repetitive units. Actually, these are the activities are of the animals which are repeated by the animals with respect of the season, with respect of day, with respect of the year, etc. Different animals show different biological rhythms according to the day, according to the year, etc. These rhythms are basically controlled by the intrinsic clocks present in the genes of animals. Yes. Biological rhythms are mainly, we can say that these are the some physiological or chemical changes occur in the body of animals, which forces animals to show some type of a specific behavior against these chemicals or physiological changes. For example, we can say the synthesis of different types of protein, etc. The biological rhythms help animals to adopt different environments. For example, we say that the stimulation of the sexual hormones, which works animals for the or make animal for mating, etc. Similarly, the stimulation of the uh, mm, stimulation of sweat glands as a response of high temperature, etc. Also the example of the biological. Yes, these biological rhythms may be classified into three main types. On the basis, we can classify these biological rhythms on the basis of the day. For example, the animals which repeat their behavior or their activities according to their time of day, and we also can divide the behavior of animals on the basis of the movement of moon. For example, with respect of the sun, sorry, moon, on monthly basis, such types of behavior which are repeated by animals on monthly basis are known as lunar rhythms. And we also can classify these biological rhythms on the basis of the year, known as the circadian rhythms. But we have discussed only the discuss the behavior of animals on the basis of day. On the basis of daily activities of animals, their behaviors are of three types. That's of diurnal behavior, nocturnal, and crepuscular behavior. First one is the diurnal behavior. Diurnal behaviors of the or the adaptations are the adaptations of animals according to the sunlight. Basically, these animals are active in the presence of sunlight, and they perform all of these activities. For example, searching of food material. Similarly, the mating activities, searching of the habitat, etc., on the basis of the day or in the presence of day. Basically, these animals have a large number of cones in their eyes. That's why they are able to see more efficiently during daytimes as compared to the night. That's why these animals are more active during day. For example, we European crystal. This is and a bird belong from the carnivores bird which is active during daytime, and mostly search its prey head in the presence of light. Yes. Next type of behavior is the nocturnal behavior or nocturnal adaptations. These are the animals which adopted their all of the activities according to the night, or these animals are active during night time. This behavior mainly shown by most of the carnivore animals, these who live in worse climatic conditions. And similarly, such type of behavior also shown by the animals living in desert, because in desert we now that's the problem of high temperature is affecting the animal's physiology. That's why these animals remain dormant condition during daytime, but when the sun becomes set, these become active and perform all of their activities. Due to such types of adaptations, they survive in such a tough and worse environmental conditions. For example, desert, they are able to survive in high temperature, because during high temperature conditions they become inactive and become dormant condition, but the performing the daily activities or the routine activities also important. That's why they become active during the night time. Most of the fossorial animals also perform such activities. They become inactive farm in their burrows at day, but whenever the sun becomes set, they become active and perform all of these their activity. For example, rodents are a member of cat family. If we discuss about the leopard, similarly the lion, etc., tiger, these all the animals are become active during night. The third adaptations of the animals is the corpuscular adaptations. Corpuscular adaptations are basically are those animals which perform their activities at last time of the day, or when the intensity of last light is so much reduced, or they may be able to perform all of their activities at the last time of night, or we can say they perform their activities in late evening or the early morning, and when the sun become rise and intensity of light increases, they become inactive again. We also say that these animals perform their activities in dusk and dawn. They prefer to perform all of the such activity, for example mating, searching of food or habitat, etc., in this time. For example, jackal. Actually, these adaptations are so much important for the survival of animals. If we see that the most of carnivores animals are active during night time, if these animals, for example, I am discussing about the corpuscular or diurnal animals, also become active at night time, then they may be a easy prey for the carnivores animal. So for their protection, these animals adopted their activities, adopted their behavior according to the situations, and they become active during such times. Similarly, corpuscular animals, we say that these animals mainly feeding on the chickens, etc. For example, jackal. That's why if they become active during daytime, then the predator or the or the humans, they can disturb their activities. If they become active at night, then the carnivorous animals can disturb their activities and kill them. That's why they become active during this time. We continue our video in next lecture.